with after round number 7 would next proceed with finals with tiebreakers here. So it means so without faces with clash anticipated here. So it means with both Magnus and Arjuns with a score of 5-all with standings after round number 7. Would chance against with tiebreakers here with finals with TBC Giman and also have a between with Grandmaster in India is Arjun Erigaisi fighting against battle by number 1 by Grandmaster Norway is Magnus Carlsen. So it means, so it is not about 3 games analyzed, but also I choose 2 games analyzed here. So it means if you win of this one with tiebreakers, would champion against with TBC Giman here. So if you lose, so it means silver medals here. So with the 2 games analyzed, what do you think about this one with best game with finals with tiebreakers? So let's see how this one will proceed of these games here. White pieces with number 1 with Grandmaster in Norway is Magnus Carlsen and black pieces by Grandmaster in India is Arjun Erigaisi. So it means it is not about single round robin with long game but also with blitz chess with tiebreakers here. So it means, so 2 games analyzed here, so it means how many clocks with 3 minutes plus 2 seconds increment here. So it means, so it is part of these videos here in this TBC Giman and also have the analyze of the standings after the tiebreakers with finals. So before we start here, so it means, so don't forget by notification below with bells, Mark Logan 17 with part 1 English speaking only and Mark Logan 17 part 2 with Tagalog and Cebuano. So don't forget by views in my videos and likes and share of this one. So it means with share of this one with accounts here. Okay. So white plays Magnus is e4, d6 by Erigaisi, Perch defense, d4, knight f6, knight c3, and also pawn g6 by Erigaisi by next of bishop g7 with dark square with diagonals here, and also knight f3 with Magnus, bishop g7 by next of castling with Erigaisi here, and also bishop e2 by next castling with Magnus here, and also castling with Norma's castling. So it is called by this one with openings perch defense classical quite system here. So this is a normalized by this one with castling. Pawn e6, so this is a not normal by Erigaisi. So this is a pawn e6 by this one with differentiate. So this is the main lines here as also with pawn c6, pawn c5, knight bd7. So it means pawn e6, so it means new main lines here. Without new main lines here by this one with Erigaisi here. And also pawn a4 with Magnus by next of strong a5 here. So this is a next move here. Knight c6 by this one with Erigaisi here. And strong a5. So this is a very strong move by number 1 with Magnus here. And also rook b8. So this is a novelty by Erigaisi of this positional battle of this game. So this is the old main lines here is pawn a6, rook e8, and queen e7 here. So it means with rook b8, new move by Erigaisi here. And also h3 to provides by to protects against with king must be active here with Magnus. And also pawn h6 with Erigaisi here. Bishop e3 by bishop e3 here by this one with Magnus. So this is a next of this one with queen d2 here. So this is a controls by this one with attacks the pawns. And also b6 controls against with Erigaisi with attacks the pawns. Push a6. So why push a6 by Magnus? So this is a codes by pawn wedge. So pawn wedge against with so close by this one with pushes by semi-close here. And also knight e7 by Erigaisi here. Queen d2. Okay, with queen d2 provides by threatening the pawns here. And with defense king h7 by Erigaisi here. And also bishop d3 by Magnus. c6. Okay, without c6. So this is a 4 connected by pass pawn here. So this is a 4 connected by 6 rank. And also knight e2 by Magnus to prevent by maneuvers knight g3 to transfer by move by pawn c4. So this is a given bad move. So does not like of this computer engine. The one's computer, the best move is rook fe1. Okay, rook fe1 is a best move here. So this is a goods for advantage for whites. So back there, this one is knight e2 by Magnus here. To exchange maneuvers, knight g3 by transfer by c4. So this is a controls here. Pawn b5, okay, with pawn b5 to no more by this one with pawn c4. So pawn c4 here. So it means with exchange by this one overextended here with threatening the pawns here. And also knight g3, okay, next good move by maneuvers here with Magnus here. And also rook b6 by Erigaisi, okay, with rook b6. So it means, so this is a threatening the pawns. So with the threats the pawns, so this is a overextended here. So with overextended with rooks and bishop attacks the pawns here. And also b3 with control, so another bad move by Magnus. So this is a second bad move. So the best move is b4, okay, b4. So b4 is a best move of this one. So this is a goods for advantage for whites here. I'm sorry, I got cannot my voice because this is a sore throat. Doesn't work my this one by throats. So back there, this one is b3. Okay, without b3 here by this one with number 1 with Magnus here. And also queen c7 by Erigaisi. c4, okay, without c4 attacks the pawns, captured, and also c5. Without c5 here, with attacks the pawns, and also d5, okay, with push. So it means with semi-close, so it means bad move. So this is a third bad move against with Magnus. The best move this one is eating the captured pawn, eating the captured bishop f4, threatening the queens, queen d7 with according by computer stoppage. So this is a recommend here. So without robotic, so it is recommended here. So this is a goods for advantage here. So back to this one is d5, pushes here with attacks the pawns. Push against with e5 by Erigaisi. So it means if you capture this pawn, so it means why don't we capture? If you captured, e takes captured. So this is a more of this one with examples. Without e5 with pushes, so cannot capture this pawn with Erigaisi because this is a pushes. Knight h2 by Magnus. Bishop captured, okay, with bishop. So bishop captured with Erigaisi. f4 attacks the pawn, so it means another bad move against with 4 times with number 1 with Magnus here. So the best move this one is rook a3 by next battery. With a battery, so it will without threatening the bishop and pawn. So this is a double. So this is a good solutions with whites. So back there, this one is f4 with attacks the pawns with movement here. Captured, good move, bishop captured. And also knight d7, okay, with knight d7 to provide here with exposed with knights here. And also rook a2, what the plans? Or maybe by this one with next of rook b1. With rook b1 with threatening the rook, so it means cannot move by this one with rook e1. So this is a bishop targets here. So need by this one with connected by arrows. And also knight e5 by strong move against with Erigaisi. Bishop captured knight, bishop takes. And also knight g4. Wow, with knight g4 with first this one is by with free bishop captured knight here, queen captured check, king g8, and knight to f6. This is a mating net. So mating net here. So this is a free here. Bishop d4 check, good move against with the Erigaisi here. And also king h1. Another second by knight g8 by Erigaisi here. With that idea, by next of maneuvers, knight to f6. Okay, with a knight f6 with maneuvers. And also e5 with sacrifice. So this is another bad move by against with number 1. So this is a with below evaluation bar here. So the best move this one is better is queen e1. So queen e1 b4 by this one with e5. So with e5 pawns here, so this is a good score advantage for whites here. So back there, this one is e5, sacrifice, capture this pawn, and also knight e4. What happened with Magnus? So it means with knight e4 here, so it means by next of this one with pawn f5 here. So this is a double. So it means with next of Erigaisi is pawn e5. So it means double by knights with Magnus, because this is a movement by Erigaisi here. What do you think about with Magnus with captured? With that idea is knight captured. It provides by knight captured here. Knight takes and also knight g5 check. Okay, with check here. And also king g7, knight e6 check. Okay. So it means with check. So we'll check. So it means double. So rook and queen. So it means, so this is a rooks without attacks the knights here. With threatening the rook with knights. And with Erigaisi rook captured knight. So this is a knights here, one piece down with Magnus. So this is a more controls. So with a thank you against with rook captured knights here with Erigaisi. Captured, so one rook down with Erigaisi here. Bishop c8. Okay, with bishop c8, more of this one with threatening the pawns by next of queen. With queen to e7 to next up transferring by with queen g5 with challenge by queen to queen. Okay, with challenge by queen to queen here. And Magnus queen g5 by no more by this one with queen e7. So this is a provides by queen g5 with whites here. Bishop captured pawn. Rook a6 by Magnus. Okay, with threatening the bishop. By threats attacks the bishop here. And also rook f6 with threatening. I don't know what's threat. So it means with rook f6. So this is a defense by bishop. Defense by bishop. And also rook b1. And also e4. Okay, with e4 attacks the bishop. Bishop backwards e2. And also knight f7 by Erigaisi with knights with threatening disturbance the queens here. And Magnus is queen backwards d2. Bishop c8 threatening the rooks. Rook takes accepted. Bishop captured. And also queen d5. And the last move, bishop d4. So cannot do it with game number 2. So it means resigns by number 1 with Magnus. So it means why he resigns? Because, for example, by next of queen g3. Before bishop e5. If you king g1. So it means queen h2. So it means this is a more targets here. With upcoming by maintenance. So this is a fatal. So it means lose against with whites. So the score tie all with Magnus and Erigaisi. Okay, so next proceed with also tiebreakers 3. So next proceed by next of this game 3. Okay, next game number 3 with tiebreakers here. So white against with Arjun Erigaisi with white pieces and versus black pieces number 1 Grandmaster Norway Magnus Carlsen. So in this part of this video, so who has the win against with championship with crowd with TBC demand if you lost? So it means silver medals here. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed up the standings after game number 3 with tiebreakers. So white plays Erigaisi is d4. Knight f6 by Magnus, c4, e6 is Indian, knight c3, pawn d5. Okay, with pawn d5 by next of bishop p4 means so Indian attack, so it means queens against with kings with check here. Capture this pawn with Erigaisi, takes with Magnus, bishop g5. It is called by queen's gambit decline modern knight defense with the modern. So modern knight defense here. Bishop e7 defense of knights before ready by next castling with Magnus here. And also pawn e3. Okay, with pawn e3 with pushes. So this is a defense by pawns. h6. So this is a not normal with Magnus. So without threatening the bishop. So this is the main lines here, is also with c6 or maybe simple as castling. So castling here is a main lines. So it means with new move main lines is h6 with threatening the bishop. Chooses if you captured or backwards. We decided backwards with Erigaisi here. Castling. Okay, with castling kingside here with Magnus here. And also bishop d3 controls against that b4 by next of knight f3. Okay, with knight f3 here. c6 good move by Magnus. So this is a three connected pass pawn. So this is a diagonals by light square here. And also knight ge2. Okay, knight ge2 before next castling with Erigaisi here. And also knight bd7 by Magnus. Queen c2. Okay, with queen c2, so it means with transferring by knight c1 or knight g3. So it means knight g3 maneuvers 2 with an idea with creating by this one with pawn f3 and pawn e4 by creating with build the centers here, with a rebuild the centers against this one with pawns here. Rook e8 by Magnus here. Castling. Okay, with castling. So castling by Erigaisi. So why left side by queen side? With a queen side here. So it means with castling here by Erigaisi. And also pawn a5 here with Magnus. So with the next by strong a4. So this is a creating by this one with Suswang. So it means develops here. And also a4 to prevent by this one with Erigaisi. So it means with a4 to stop strong a4 with bad pawns here. And also knight h5. Okay, knight h5. So what idea here to transfer by this one? So it means knight to f6. So it means to move by this one with pawns. So this is equating by this one with transferring by maneuvers. Bishop captured with more of this one with captured here. Queen takes captured. So it means with queen takes captured here. So it means cannot move up this one with f3. So this is a queen spins. So this is a queen captured here. So it means queen captured e7 with Magnus. Rook a e1. Okay, sorry, I got sore throat. So it means rook a e1. So it means with transferring by this one with knight g3. With that knight g3. So it means with creating by this one pawn f3 and pawn e4. So with creating by rebuild the centers here. And also knight df6 by Magnus here. To provide by this one with transferring by jumping in by knights here. And also knight c1. Okay, knight c1 with Erigaisi. So it means by creating by f3 and e4 to creating rebuild the centers here by pawns here. And also knight e4. So this is a disappearance by book lines with number 1. So this is a new move. So this is the old main lines here is bishop e6 is creating by masterchess.com database here. So it means knight e4 new move. So novelty by this one with Magnus Carlsen here. And also f3. Okay. So without f3 here, so it means without idea with threatening the knights here. And also knight takes captured with Magnus. Capture this pawn and also pawn c5. Okay, with pawn c5 to create here to attacks the pawns, and next by this one with e4 by creating the rebuild the centers here. And also pawn e4. Okay, with pawn e4 to creating by this one with f3 and e4. With f3 and e4, so this is a recreating by this one with rebuild the centers the pawns with attacks the pawns here. Without creating with attacks this one, so it means attacks the pawns. So attacks the pawns, so this is a openings by threatening the queens here. And also capture this pawn, captured openings with rook threatening the queens. So it means with that idea, if a queen captured rook, so it means queen captured rook backwards here. We choose ideas with Magnus if you captured or backwards. With a decided queen d8 with idea with Carlsen. So Magnus Carlsen, so need by ignorance here. So why cannot move of queen captured rook sacrifice with that idea here. And also captured. Oh my god. So this is a bad move by angry by computer stockfish. Why you captured here? So the better move this one is pawn c4 to creating the develops here with defense of pawns here. So according by computer stockfish, so this is a good slightly better for whites. So this is a captured, so this is a poison move. So this is a said by computer stockfish here. So it means c4 is a best move here. So this is a goods for advantage. So it means captured by this one with Eric guys. So why captured? So this is a double by Agnes. So Agnes pawn structure here. So this is a Agnes pawn structure by this one. And also rook takes captured accepted. Takes. And also knight f6 threatening the pawns. So avoid. So it means warning. Do not queen captured pawn. So it means blunder ratio. So it means rook e8 mating net. So it means lose with blacks. Punching by slam table with Magnus. So it means do not captured queen captured pawn. So it means upcoming by mating net. Need by focusing by chess. Without knight f6 by Magnus with threatening the pawns. And also queen b3 by Regaisi, defense by pawns. Bishop d7. So it means with bishop d7 here. Without more of this one with positional move. Bishop c4, defense by pawns. And also knight e8. Without idea with knight to d6. With knight d6 threatening the bishop, so this is a next maneuver here. Knight d3 by this one with the Regaisi here. Or maybe without ideas maneuvers knight f4. So knight f4 here by defense by pawns here. Knight d6, okay, good precise by Magnus, threatening the bishop. And also knight e5, good provides by threatening the bishop. And also queen h4, strong move, okay, with strong move by Magnus. Okay, without ideals with queens threatening the pawns. So without threats the pawns, so this is a provides by this one with expose here with attacks the pawns. Rook d1 with the Regaisi, defense by this one with pawns. And also bishop backwards e8 by Magnus here. And also bishop backwards f1 because this is a avoided by ignorance here with the ignorance with continuous here. And also rook c8. Okay, rook c8 is with continuous here by this one with devils by Magnus here. And also queen b6 by Regaisi. With the queen b6 by threatening the knights and threatening the pawns. With double attacks here with targets here. And also bishop captured pawn attacks the rooks. Rook a1 to provides by Regaisi, threatening the double bishops and pawns here. And also queen f4. What ideas here? Or maybe by this one by queen, so it means with queen to e3 with check. So this is a more of this one with check here. And also h3. So it means explain for example here. So why don't we rook capture bishop? If you rook takes a4 and also queen e3 check. If you king h1, so it means king h1, okay, king h1 and also rook c1, okay. So rook c1 with threatening the bishop and upcoming by mating net here. So this is a lose for whites, wins for blacks against. Okay, so back there, this one is h3 by Regaisi here, bishop backwards here with Magnus, and also rook captured pawn. So this is a blunder ratios with Regaisi. So this is a below evaluation bar here. So the better move is king h1. What happened? So king h1 is a best move here. So this is a goods for advantage here by whites here. So back there, this one is rook captured first blunder ratios with Regaisi. So it means almost by 6 seconds by Regaisi here and 16 seconds by Magnus. And also queen e3 check here by Magnus. and also king h2, and also queen f4 check again, king g1, knight f5, wrong move with Magnus. So this is a worse move. So does not like of this computer with knight f5 here. So it means that the better move this one is with creating by better is rook c1. So rook c1 is a best move here. So if you if you queen if you queen takes d6 here, here's queen d6. So if you okay, queen d6, if you queen takes d6 here, if you queen takes d6 and also queen captured pawns here, we check here, and also king h2, and also rook captured bishop. So this is a goods for advantage for what I mean black. So this is a goods for advantage for blacks. So back there, this one is knight f5 with Magnus, and also rook backwards a1. So this is a second Mr. Blunderatious. So this is a second Blunderatious here. So look at the evaluation bar below. Ooh. Below evaluation bar. So this is a double question mark here. So it means that the better, the best move is pawn d6 here. What happened? So pawn d6 is a best move. So without pawn d6, so this is a goods for advantage for whites. So it means so almost by 7 seconds by this one with Eric IC. So after rook a1, another blunderation. So the first guessing puzzle, what do you think about the best move with number 1 Magnus? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here. Queen e3 check. Excellent. We check here. And also king h2, and also knight captured, knight g4. Okay, with knight g4. So it means with knights with threatening the queens. Without attacks this one, so threatening the queens here. So this is a below evaluation bar, so does not like. So the best move is king h1. So king h1 is a best move. So this is a goods for whites. So after knight g4 threatening the queens, and the last move, knight takes captured, openings here with check, with traps with queenless. So it means Arjun Erigaisi resigns with king number 3. So it means, so why Erigaisi resigns? For example, if you king h1 and goodbye queens, no more queens here. Against that, so lose for whites here. Okay, so the Magnus Carlsen is a championship here. So the score is Erigaisi, so it means 1 and Carlsen 2. So congratulations with championship with Magnus Carlsen here. Okay, so it means, so let's see of this one with final results here. So it means without standings here after round so it means tiebreakers here. With tiebreakers after the finals here. So let's see of this one with final results. Okay, with a champion by gold medals with 5 points. 5 points with Magnus Carlsen, and second by 5 points by Arjun Erigaisi, and 4 points by Norderbeck up to Satoru bronze medal, and also 4 points by Yagis Erdogmus with number 4, 3.5 by Netherlands Grandmaster Jordan Van Forest, 3 points by Grandmaster Andy Woodward with Young Kid with USA, and 2 points by favorite players Grandmaster China number 2 Zhuzhener, 1.5 by Grandmaster Sweden Nils Grandelos. And next here with tie breaks, with a score with 2 points with champion Grandmaster number 1 Magnus Carlsen in Norway, and 1 points by Grandmaster India Arjun Erigaisi. Okay, so the winner of this one with TV, Siggyman and Coaches tournaments with a championship, none other than number 1 Grandmaster Norway is Magnus Carlsen. Congratulations. Okay, so I will next up this game with couple between with Bibisara versus Chaposkir here. So I will analyze with next here. Okay, so I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logan 17, aka Akumark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. So good night here and have a sleep.